Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to create a PDF ebook in Canva step by step. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tech tips. Step 1. Start by opening your Google Chrome web browser. Click on the search bar and type Create ebook in Canva. Step 2. Go to the official Canva website and click on Start designing an ebook to get started. Step 3. Once Canva loads, click on the search bar and type in the type of ebook template you're looking for. For this example, we type ebook. Step 4. Browse through the search results and select a template you like. You can also search by style, such as typing retro if you want a retro-themed design. Canva will present you with templates that match your search. Step 5. Click on a template to view its layout. Keep in mind that with a free Canva account, you can only use free templates. Templates with a crown icon are exclusive to Canva Pro users. Step 6. If your chosen template has more than 2 pages, click on Apply All Pages to apply the template to every page. You can also add additional styles from the options at the bottom. Step 7. To change the background color or photo color, click on Background Color at the top of the page. Step 8. If you want to add animations to your ebook, click on Animate and choose the animation style you prefer. Step 9. If you want to adjust the layers of your page by clicking on the position, to add a new page, click on Add Page at the bottom. Step 10. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Share and then select Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type and click Download. Wait for the process to finish and save the ebook to your device. Step 11. After downloading, open the file from your Downloads folder to review and ensure it looks as expected. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.